Alright guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can send videos on Gmail in 2023. So for this we're going to use the Gmail application, so just load it up right here. And then after we're taken to the application, we're going to click on compose like we would normally to write an email. So if you want to attach a video to your email, all you have to do is click on the paperclip icon next to the send one right here, and there we're going to click on attach file. So from here, as you can see, my top video is, well, actually a video, and you can just simply click on it. Or if you want to go through all of your videos, you get the tab right here next to audio, and if we press on it, it will just show you all of your videos. So let's say we want to attach a video, we click on it, and then that is it. It is literally attached to our email. So then we're going to write what we need to write else in the email, of course the recipient and the subject, and then you can just send this email as per usual. So that's how you do it. That's how you send a video on Gmail in 2023. I hope this video was useful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you next time.